Hello, good day everyone. Welcome back to my new YouTube channel. It's me again, Mama Shali, for some informative facts, educational lessons, travels, fashion, recreations, and that more. Hello, good day. So today I'm going to share to you the tutorial on how to make an RBI or radio-based instruction. As we all know, the COVID-19 pandemic has been one of the biggest disruptions to education the world has ever known. The COVID-19 pandemic has affected the educational systems worldwide. This is the greatest challenge of the government in how to continue education all over the world. Now, what should the government do during an outbreak of the corona disease? What are the possible alternatives? And what are the possible modalities? The department is set to implement a blended learning approach as face-to-face classes are still prohibited, with TV and radio-based instruction being one of the three main setups, with modular and online learning as the other two options. Many educational institutions paved the way for learning continuity, introduce FM radio projects that will help students in attaining quality education. During the current pandemic, interactive audio instruction may be the most effective way to educate the world's children. So, learning through radio in the time of COVID-19. A radio must be the best way to reach students during the pandemic and perhaps beyond. Reaching students and ensuring the continuity of education were the main goals of radio based instruction. It is a good model for one of the many distance learning modalities, which is to ensure that learning never stops. It helps building on their knowledge and expertise to transmit knowledge. The use of radio and television broadcasts as distance learning solutions are a powerful way to bridge and able to expand education by bringing it on where the listeners are, to extend opportunities to learners and enable them to acquire equivalency in basic education through broadcast of lessons on air. Thus, it is one of the modalities in the new normal of education through radio-based instruction. So RBI stands for radio-based instruction. It is relating to the sound that is heard on a recording or broadcasts. It is a radio recording software for PC that would make your life easier. They have lots of audio recording for to be used for the RBI. So some of those are Wondershare Demo Creator, WavePod, Adobe Audition, Audacity, Mixpad, and SoundForge. So those are the examples or the apps that can be used for RBI, but I prefer to use Acoustica. So I use Acoustica MP3 Audio Mixer. So MP3 Audio Mixer is a computer format for creating sound files. So remember, only sound files or audio such as songs, which they are smaller than the standard sound files. So Acoustica MP3 Audio Mixer makes the case by reducing audio editing to a multi-track composition window and a handful of basic features such as volume, pan, and pitch. So simply dragging an audio file into the layout window gets it into the mix. Then you can start moving your audio segments around like pieces of a jigsaw puzzle. So I'm going to present to you later on how to do it. So everything is editable. So you can edit. So everything is editable right from the main window without the hassle of digging through menus or stumbling over vague looking icons. The program imports and exports WAV or MP3 or even WMA or real audio formats. So those are the extensions, the file extensions. So MEW stands for Waveform Audio File Format. It is an audio file format standard developed by IBM and Microsoft. So it's storing for an audio bit stream on PC. Then if we say MP3, MPT stands for uh, audio layer, MPEG audio layer 3. It is a compressed audio file format developed by the Moving Picture Experts Group that stands for MPEG. So a typical MP3 file sounds similar to original recording, but it requires significantly less desk space. So in making your RBI, if you're using songs or sounds or audios, they have lots of formats or sites on the internet, but I prefer to use mp3 juices.cc. Again, mp3 juices.cc. So this is where I usually downloads all my audio songs. Then if you prefer to use for videos, so you can download directly from YouTube and then open another site or open another Windows. So just simply write en.savefrom.net. Again, en.savefrom.net or another en.savefrom.net slash 18 slash. So those are where you can download your videos. Okay, so I think I have already given you the tutorial. So I'm going to share to you my screen. Okay. Let me share to you my screen. Okay. That's one. So I am using the Acoustica MP3 Audio Mixer V.2.471. So, okay, so it's very easy. It's hassle-free. So once you have your Acoustica MP3, you just simply open it, and then these are the options. We have file, edit, sound group, sound. So, okay, so this is now the phase of our Acoustica. So, if you wanted to add sound, you have already your sound there. So, click add sound. Okay, so the audios, remember, we're using only audios here. So, add audios, the downloaded audios, the downloaded audios, and then add sound. Okay, then, or if ever you want to record, your sounds, your script now, your sound. So you can click the red button here. So this is used for record a sound. And then click that one and then click the word record. Okay. So, okay. So it implies that you have already recorded. And then once you have finished once you have finished your recording, click click stop. Okay, it will prompt you to either save or cancel. So if you're going to use your recording, so simply click save. If not, so click cancel. Okay, so for example, I'm going to save our work. So click save. Check first the add sound to session after saving. So click saved. Okay, that one. And then you have to rename. Okay, write the name you wanted to. And always remember, guys, that in making your RBI, make sure you have one folder for this, intended folder for this. So you have to rename and then save. Then after you save, it will directly lead this or put this, or it can be on your Acoustica. Okay, so for example, so you have to save it. Okay, ilan ako i-save? So I have to save it. Okay. Then cancel. So the recorded one will be posted here. Okay, so assuming now. Okay, so you can add sound, you can record sound, and then if you wanted to play, you can play your recorded plus your manuscript. So your recorded one, your audio songs. So after all those, and you are now ready, so kindly click file and then choose either save as, but I prefer to click save as and then choose MP3 file instead of WAV file, instead of WMA file or real audio file. Choose MP3 file. Okay, and then it will be saved. So you are now ready for your RBI. Okay, so for example, okay, so just a sample of my recorded intro on my blog, on my YouTube blog. So I think if you have question, please feel free to comment on my blog, on my official YouTube channel, Ma'am Shawi. And then I cannot say that I can help you, but I will try my best to help. So thank you very much. Hope this vlogs helps you in making your RBI. So thank you very much, and God bless everyone. Kindly click the red button down below and the notification bell beside so that you will be updated with the latest videos. Guys, do not forget to thank God above all. Always wear your sweetest smile. God bless everyone.